We will be writing a lot of programs in this course, but first, we should know that what is actually a program. So, a program is a set of instructions which we give to computer to perform a specific task. For example, if we want to add two numbers, then we will be giving some instructions which will direct the computer to add two numbers. Now let's understand this definition with the help of an example. For example, you are on a call with your friend who is coming to meet you for the very first time, and he wants to know the direction of your house. Now, how you will make him understand the direction of your house? Definitely, you will be giving him some instructions. For example, move straight, turn left. If you find a bakery, then turn right. Now, it's totally dependent on your instructions that whether you want him to come to your house or you want him to get lost somewhere. So, in the same way, a programmer also gives some instructions to the computer system. And this set of instructions is called a program. And we will be writing these instructions soon. Oh, now just see this picture. And this is a program. Now let's just see that how it fulfills the definition of a program. On every line, there is something written on it. I know you can't understand it for now, but just think that this is something written on it. And these are the instructions which we give to computer system. And this set of instructions is called a program. Programming. Now, programming, if you have understood the concept of programs, then the programming is almost the same thing. It is the process of writing programs, or you can say the process of giving instructions to the computer system is called programming, sorry. Both are the same things.